Democracy is the chosen system of governance in more than 140 countries, in the hope that elected government fulfill the needs and aspirations of the citizens. But it is a great paradox that leaders elected through free and fair elections often fail to fulfill the wishes of the people. India's experiment in democracy is under watch globally, not only because it is the largest democracy in the world, but also because of its complexities of linguistic, ethnic, and religious diversity. Challenges of India: poverty, health, education, sanitation, environment. We have every reason to be unhappy with the governance of our country. In an international dialogue on democracy at Asia Plateau in 2003, IC Center for Governance, deliberations followed in a series of roundtable conferences organized by the Initiatives of Change around the country to set a center for governance to think collectively on the state of public governance of the country. The ICCFG is based on the philosophy of Initiatives of Change. ICCFG has been organizing conferences, interactions, and lecture series on the burning topics relating to governance. On the basis of our experience, the Centre is convinced that in order to secure high and inclusive economic growth and eliminate corruption, we need ethics to be the cornerstone of governance in all areas. Since ethics is the creed of the Centre, we believe ethics as lived in and not ethics as preached from pulpits. In an effort to bring ethical leadership, the Centre has started a program on ethics in public governance for senior government officials of All India Services, State Services, and Central Services at Panchgani. We not only run programs for our civil servants, but also run courses and conduct workshops for other countries. The Centre also launched a half-yearly journal of governance covering different areas of governance. The inaugural issue was released by Honorable Vice President of India. Eminent author and experts contribute to the prestigious journal. Special issues on subjects like urban governance, energy, water management, environment, healthcare, education, civil service. Our aim is to collectively create a community of ethics. An e-magazine, Ethics in Governance, carries the message to a wider group of practitioners of governance. The Centre also networks with our collaborators and associates to increase our reach and include like-minded institutions and groups. ICCFG was also invited by IFC International for an international conference on human security held at Co in Switzerland. An annual dialogue on democracy has also been introduced at Asia Plateau in collaboration with IFC India. Delegates from democracies across the globe shared their experiences in a stock-taking of 10 years of the Centre's existence. Mr. R.D. Mathur, the inspiration behind the idea of the Centre, said,
has to rise up and once again look at ethics and integrity as part of our lives.
The story goes on. We have much to do and miles to go.